Hello and welcome back to my channel Think Digital. Today I will show you a small code. It will help you to make your Windows 10 super faster. Like what? Let me show you directly with this code. I need you to go to search, make search for your PowerShell. This down, come here, PowerShell, and make it run with administrator. Here, Control V, that means paste, and make enter. It will show in this small tool. It will help you to make your Windows 10 super faster. For example, programming installation. That means if you want to install any of these tools in your machine, for example, Brave browser, Firefox, Google Chrome, with one click you will install it faster. And before you doing that, I need you to make install Chocolate, this one. And welcome to System Tweaks. This one, System Tweaks, it will help and make your Windows 10 super faster. To remove all your background apps, there is a background apps working in your background and making your laptop super slow. So that's why this tool is coming here. So to stop all these background apps, just to make one click on this background apps, and you will see disable background apps access, for example, and give them small time. I did that before on my laptop. That's why when you come to your start, click on it, you will see all my productivity, remove it. Like games, like so many things there is, you will see it in your own machine here. So when the tool it's complete, he will give you this small window, operation complete, and make it okay. If you don't understand what are you doing and you want your Windows be super fast, just come here and click here. He will do all this service for you. And come to your security here. If you want it, for example, let me just telling you a small thing. Just read what you have here. You will see disable Windows Defender, disable Defender update. That's all the step in making your Windows super slow. So if you just make one click, you will make all this disable with one click, and you will help your machine be faster. And welcome to window update. If you want to make a default setting, or if you want security update only. If you see here the developer he make, I recommend doing security updates only. Why? Because this step helping you to block so many future updates. For example, daily features updates up to 3 years, or daily security update for 40 days, or the set maximum active time. So many of us understand this point here. It's gonna be one of your problems to make your Windows super slow. So if you want to install 7-zip, just one click you will have it. If you want to install Notepad++, that means Notepad++, just one click here and you will have it. For me, I have all these programs because I did that before and I see the result. That's why I make this video to share this experience with you. So don't forget to make subscribe and waiting me for the next video. Thank you.